It's now time for Ask the Vet, brought to you by Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, dedicated professionals committed to helping each horse reach its full athletic potential.
Hurricane season will soon be upon us, and Jonna wants to know if she should do anything special to prepare. Jonna, this is a great and timely question. There are many things that you need to do and know to prepare for a potential hurricane. While we hope nothing serious happens, making plans ahead of time is an important step in protecting your horse. First, make sure everyone's up to date on all their vaccines and disease testing required by your state. You will need a negative Coggins test at a minimum to stop at any facility and travel in the state. Second, you need to prepare adequate documentation for all your horses. This includes a proof of ownership, photographs, Coggins papers, registration papers, and the phone numbers of your veterinarian. Having your horse microchipped is another form of permanent ID that can be helpful if the horse is lost during a hurricane. Attach any important information in a waterproof bag to a leather halter on the horse. Third, make plans to evacuate. Work with your veterinarian to develop an emergency kit that contains supplies for you and your horses. Find transport and boarding ahead of time, and make sure your horse will load in a trailer. Leave several days before the storm arrives to avoid getting stuck in traffic, and make sure you know what vaccines and testing the facility will require before you leave so you're prepared. It is best not to be stuck in the hurricane, but if you do not evacuate, a general rule of thumb is a horse is safer in a sturdy structure in a Class 2 or less hurricane, and better off in a field if there's room to move, sturdy fences, limited debris, and no overhead power lines in a stronger storm. If neither of those options sound like your facility, you need to evacuate your horse during the storm. Jonna, this is a good question, and look at our website for more information at bveh.com or ask questions on our Facebook page, Brazos Valley Equine Hospital.
Ask the Vet, brought to you by Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, now with 3 convenient locations in Texas: Navasota, Rockdale, and Stephenville.